Stop it, Simba.
What's going on, YouTube, man? We back with another video, man. I see JLT here. We got the hood open. So if y'all seen the title on the thumbnail, man, y'all already know what's going on. I jumped ahead of myself actually and started installing it before I started the video, which was probably not the smartest idea, but let me run down on pretty much what's going on. So I bought a JLT catch can, right? And pretty much I just now did the unboxing. Like I said, I started ahead of myself a little bit. And I wasn't the smartest. I should have waited until the car cooled down to do it, but I was so in a rush. I'm trying to hurry up and get home that I just started, whatever. So let me show y'all what we got so far. So pretty much in the box, right? You get the paperwork on how to, you get, this is what the bracket comes in. I'll show y'all. This black bracket here that says JLT on it. And then you get two I think it was like M10 nut screws or something like that. That's what I want to say it was. Yep, M10 nuts. So you get those two. And then here is the catch can, y'all. To me, honestly, it looks like pretty good quality. I opened it. There is a little filter on this side. And then you get two hoses, obviously, for the PVC hose. Just like the one that's there on top of the valve cover. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show y'all the first step pretty much. So they give you those two screws, right? So one goes on first, the opposite way, obviously, then the bracket, and then you put on the second one. Now, what I have here is a long drive. It's a 5/8, I believe it was. Let me see. Yep, there you go. 5/8. So pretty much I could go down there and tighten it out since I already showed y'all that process. Now don't be like me, wait until the car's cooled off, because again, this wasn't the smartest decision. I kind of burned my finger a little bit, but that was my fault. Like I said, I'm in a rush. So let me go ahead and tighten this back down. Ooh, that motherfucker is hot. So boom, there we go. So I should be able to use this now. Just snug it. Snug it down. There we go. Want that bad boy tight so we know it don't move. Alright, so got her tightened down. All I gotta do is straighten this out. Boom, there we go. That's where we want it at. Now the next thing is you gotta take the valve cover off. So it's pretty easy to do this. So usually what I do, I just pull from the front lightly and then slightly pull the rest of it, just slightly, so you don't break none of the clips or anything like that. And we'll go ahead, we'll put this down to the side. Now this is what we have to take out right here. This is the PVC hose right here. So going from the valve to the supercharger inlet, I don't know what the part, that's the snout down there, pretty much the part of the snout right there, that little hose. So it looked like it's not that hard to pull off. So there is a clip back here, pretty much right. If y'all see that little clip right there, so you pull it. Let me see if you pull. I think it was a pull, right? He said pull. Let me see. Pull, and that's it. So they said pull. That wasn't a pull. It's more of a push. So you push it this way. Not a pull. So you push towards the supercharger and pull up, and that comes off, right? Then, so as y'all can see, there's some residue right there, obviously, because the oil comes out and goes back into there. That's what we don't want. That's the whole point of this install, so we get rid of that. And then on this side, I got get you a flathead, right? Push push that pin. See this white part right here that I'm pushing on? You want to push that in. Oh, I gotta put my phone down real quick. So you push that in and pull. That easy. Got it off. Real simple. So again, I'm gonna demonstrate for y'all. For the white part, you push it in. You push it in and then pull and pull out. So you push this part in and then pull out, and that's pretty much it. It's easy. This side, once it's down in there, I'll show y'all again. Once it's down in there, you want to push this towards the supercharger. So see how it's flexing? Push this towards the supercharger and pull up. Real simple. Came right off, no problems. Now this part, this looks, again, fairly simple, or at least it should be. So there's 2 screw holes up here that go into the JLT top part, and then they give you the 2 screws in your bag, which you should have. So I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. Now, same way we took this off is the same way we're gonna pop these back in. This one right goes here. Oh shit, I almost knocked the fucking pin out. That one goes there. At least that's how it looks, right? Because they got it like going back this way, kind of like this. Okay, that's better. I'm liking that a little better. Still seem like it shouldn't be that much tension on it though. So what y'all think of that? Pretty much that's the best way I could get it. I still don't like the way it is because it's got a lot of tension on the hoses, especially this one right here. But that's the only way I can really get it in there without touching that supercharger belt. I can't bend it back this way. I can't bend it back this way and around and then up that way, because that's even more tension. So I'm gonna leave it like that. We're gonna drive it for a couple days and see what's going on. Hopefully no codes or nothing come out. I doubt they will, but let's turn the car around real quick and make sure everything cool. So let's put all this stuff back. Put that hose back in there. That there. And just make sure everything good, nothing loose. No, we good here. Good there. All right, everything seems to be tight. So let's start her up real quick. Everything seemed to be good. Now I'm gonna show y'all real quick. We gonna come back in a couple weeks when we need an oil change. I do have 84% oil life, so we're gonna see if this thing actually works. A lot of people be saying it's pointless. A lot of people be saying I don't know. I just get a bunch of different. What is that in my camera? What is that glare? That's a weird glare. What is that? But anyway, a few people say that it don't work. A lot of people say it does work. So I'm at 84% oil life right now, and when I go get another oil change, we're gonna open that up to see if there's some oil in there, which it really should be. So, because I've seen a bunch of videos where people have oil in that little can in the bottom. So 84% oil. When we go get an oil change, we'll do another video and make sure that thing's actually working. So let's go look at it, make sure ain't nothing touching or rubbing. That's my main concern, man. I just don't want nothing rubbing. Yeah, everything looking good. All the hose lines are tight. Let's just go on a quick drive back home and then make sure everything good. So let's put this valve cover back on. Yeah, that was the fastest install I ever did. No lie, that probably took me like 5 minutes. If I didn't have to like hold the camera and do recording and stuff like that, that was probably like a 5-minute install, no lie. So y'all can see the pins are on the back of the cover. These 2 clips go inside of the fuel part for the supercharger. So just like that, gently push down, boom, that's it. Got your covers back on. And everything look good. Everything looks good. So let's take a quick drive back home and stay tuned for the next video, because I got another little. I see that little box back there. I got another little something for the channel, man, that I ain't never used before, which pretty much a lot of people be using, and I want to have a little fun with it too. So yeah, everything seemed to be good right now. Let's take a quick little ride back home and make sure everything good with the catch can. Won't get no engine codes or nothing, like no engine lights or codes or anything that come up. So it'll be 3 months, y'all. I had the car in a couple weeks, so it's been a crazy 3 months. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. With this car, it's fun for sure. Definitely gets the attention. Look, there go another red Charger right there, or a Challenger. Now I gotta do some pulls just to make sure everything good, like running smooth. There we go. It's a nice little RT. It got some different kind of wheels on it I ain't never seen before. Yeah, you heard that supercharger. Get out the way. Where you going, bud? Oh, you ain't want to play. Let me stop. I don't be bullying no cars like that. I'm cool and calm with everybody until you call me out. It's a different story. Everything seemed to be good though. Now I did use a coupon or a promotional code for Xander 13, I think it was, ZANDER 13. It was like 5% off, nothing crazy, but hey, 5% is 5%, a couple dollars. It's usually $150 plus tax. I paid like $143 with tax and everything included. Like I said, 5%, man. It's nothing crazy. I actually got that off of a YouTuber's channel. He has a promotional code with them, so he must have some kind of sponsor with them, which is cool with me. Save me 5%. So not that $7 was gonna do anything for me, but $7 is $7, you know. Doesn't matter. Something. So that install was really easy. If I didn't have to hold this camera, I probably would have literally been done in like 5 minutes. I didn't know it was gonna be that easy. I know people have been saying like it's the easiest install, but I didn't know I was gonna be done that quick. That literally is like a 5-minute install, y'all. So well worth it. I'm pretty sure it does work and it will improve the longevity of your motor. And plus, it takes literally 5 to 10 minutes out of your day if you're one of those people who really don't know nothing about bolts and screws and nuts and stuff and how to use a mechanic set. Might take it a little longer, but literally it shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes, even if you don't have a clue what's going on, because really simple. The instructions is really straightforward. In the box, they give you a nice little sticker. They even give you a business card. I like the way they do business, man. I like the JLT. The only reason I didn't go with the JLT intake is because I just know that the LMI was better quality. That's the only reason I didn't go with JLT's intake. But the catch can, for sure, I would go with JLT. I like the black, satin black color that it has to it. And like I said, hopefully it actually does work. It's not a fluke. It actually does work. We'll be getting another oil change in about 3 to 4 weeks. So like I said, I drive my car a lot. Y'all see that we already got what 6,500 miles on here, and I've only had the car 3 months. So y'all know I drive my car. That's 2,000 miles a month in 3 months. That's crazy. Quick little pulley. This car be getting crazy, man, when it want to. But everything seemed good, man. Like I said, I just didn't like the fact that those hoses have a lot of tension on them, but everything seemed pretty good right now. I could never get over that supercharger, man. Never. Hopefully I like the install, and a bunch of y'all, a bunch of new owners definitely can use one of those catch cans, man. So like I said, it's not the best part about it is it's not gonna hurt the car, you know. If you spend the 150, it's gonna be a well spent, because it's gonna improve the longevity of the motor, obviously, because it's gonna keep the oil from going back in to the motor through the supercharger inlet. The problem is you don't want the dirty oil to go back into the car. That's the whole point of that catch can. It catches all the dirty oil, puts it in that little can at the bottom that you can untwist, and that's pretty much it, man. All right, but I'm home now, man. Hopefully y'all have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Stay safe, man. Be careful out here, and y'all have a good rest of your night, man. I'm out, man. Peace.